Good morning. Let's try it. Let's try that intro again. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I will be eating a peanut butter sandwich and telling you where I've been. So I haven't posted a video in 3 days, if you haven't noticed. I think you have. And there's good reason. I felt like, wow. I got my COVID shot on Thursday, and it just knocked me up. Well, I'm feeling better today. So that's why I'm doing the video. Yeah. I found it to work. Each day. So, it's a big deal. I understood. Mm-hmm. I'll be back this week with new videos. See, nothing to worry about. Because I'll be back this week with my bangs. With other stuff. So, that's an update on my eating kit videos. And I apologize for not putting out videos for 3 days. Because I think the last video I put out was Thursday. So I didn't put one out Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. So I thought I'd come on today quick. Do that quick little PB sandwich mukbang and an update. Oh, and honestly, you guys leaving thumbs down on my lives and videos does bother me. I'm a positive channel. I don't need your freaking negativity. So if you say a negative comment, I'm just blocking it and deleting it, and then you'll be blocked. Excuse me. And end of story. I don't need negativity in my life. I don't need drama in my life. So just know that. On that note, have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good morning wherever you are. And whatever time it is. Bye. Ta-ta for now.